Well, we're in South Wales today and we've come to meet the guys at Amazing Autos. They were established in 2008 and they've pretty quickly become Wales' finest classic car restoration specialists. Amazing have had their Aquablast for just over a year and it's become a vital piece of their preparation equipment, essentially one of the workforce. Okay, let's go inside, meet the guys and have a look around. Right, Matt, thanks for your time first of all today. So, give us a bit of info about Amazing Autos. Yeah. Whereabouts are we in Wales exactly?
In Llangennec in Carmarthenshire.
Right, okay. Glad you pronounced that rather than me, so thank you. And what's the main function of the business?
So the main function of Amazing Autos is restoration work.
Yeah.
We do anything from resprays, but mainly nut and bolt restorations.
Yeah, okay. Looking at some of the stuff, it seems to go like right back to the shell, I guess, as well in a lot of cases?
Yeah, so basically what we do is strip the car down, get it blasted, and we can see like all the work that needs to be done, all the welding, fabricational work.
Sure.
Yeah.
And where does the Aquablast fit in then?
So the Aquablast fits in, once we strip the car down, all the different components, like suspension and everything on the running gear, we can blast all of that and it leaves a really nice finish.
Right, okay. And would you use it on every sort of car that goes through, would you say? Has everything got something that needs Aquablasting, something that you use your 1215 for?
Yeah, I think a lot of the stuff, because it's so good, it does clean it off real nice.
So Matt, how would you sum up the main difference, I guess, that the Aquablast has made to the business?
So what the Aquablaster has done for us is given us this new process of achieving a very particular finish.
Sure.
It's taken out a lot of time that we might spend using tools to sand, where this just completely eradicates that and we can do it a lot faster, a lot nicer finish.
So what we're looking at here is a small structural section of the car and we're aiming to put it through the Aquablast, take the corrosion off it, get the paint off it as well, get rid of all those scratches and just get it to a standard that we can inspect and then paint. So there we go, less than 5 minutes in the Aquablast. What in the process might have taken an hour maybe to not even get it back to this standard as well. This part's now ready to be inspected, put back on the vehicle, primed and then receive its final coats of paint. In terms of the customers then, do these guys get involved? Do they see what you're doing with the Aquablast? And if so, do they sort of talk to you about it? What's the feedback been like?
Yeah, so they love it. Yeah, they think the finish is amazing. Yeah, it just offers so much for them. And when we do, for example, like casings for motorcycles and blocks and everything, that alley, they just, leave a really nice finish.
Different end result, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. You know, we could try, well, we've tried lots of other things, but this one seems to be, well, definitely is the top one. And from their feedback, they're really chuffed with what we've achieved for them.
We hear that, and it's good to know, obviously, good to know that you guys are experiencing that as well down here. So, Matt, thank you for your time today. I do appreciate it. I know how busy you guys are as well, and it is, you know, like I said at the start, what an amazing place you've got. So, thank you. Much appreciated. Cheers. Well, big thanks to Amazing Autos of Wales. Unbelievable place, again, building that you just wouldn't expect to see on the inside, you know, what we have actually seen today from the outside. They've got an incredible series of cars in here, and a lot of them, well, pretty much all of them go back to like bare shell restorations, and you can really see why an Aquablast is important to these guys as well, in terms of they are going back to the nuts and bolts to get these cars re-prepared. They're using the Aquablast to resurface, to take things off, to check the components, and to give things that absolutely amazing finish, which, you know, in terms of like classic cars and classic restorations these days, it really is all important to make sure the thing looks as good as it is well bolted together underneath. Thanks again, guys, and best of luck for the future.